El tiempo viendo mi video.
Okay, after a long hiatus, I'm finally back on the bike, and I'm really excited to show this to you guys because I've been really looking forward to getting back riding again, especially after being gone for so long. And yeah, let's get it. All right, here we go. Yo, what up? Hey, despite like all like this goes hard though. Dude, this. Dang. All right, so I got my old bike. I got the black Remini. Already getting the rear shuck off and putting it on the new one. I gotta get the cranks off, the cassette, and the wheels, and this whole fork and everything. We're gonna get that started soon. But yeah, I got the shock off already, and we're gonna work on putting it on. Yeah. And I just got all the parts in for the bike because apparently I didn't have the right ones. But yeah, I just started getting all of them swapped over. And yeah, let's show you. Got my brother's bike. Kind of something missing there. But yeah, this is the new bike. I'm starting to get everything over. And this is the old Remini, RIP. But yeah, let's get it. Get up on the stand. Let's go. Yeah. Cut that out. But yeah, change the camera. Get everything on. Oh well. Alright, well I had all the shocks and stuff switched over, but apparently the Fox one wasn't the right one, so we had to switch it out with the old one again, and I'm just gonna have to get one later. But it's fine. But yeah, let's get a bike check video right now. Yeah. Hello guys, this is a quick little bike check video I'm gonna do. Just give you a rundown on all the parts I'm running and why I like them. But yeah, so to start us off, I got the 25mm Rise tidal bars, a 33 clamp, I think. I'm not sure. But I just absolutely love them. It's great for jumping and slope style and flips and stuff like that. Complement that, the tidal stem, again a 33mm clamp. I think it's a 40mm Rise. But yeah, I like how they, I just absolutely love how they feel. But yeah, next tidal thing we got is the seat. It's the JS1, the dirt jump seat. Yeah, it feels really nice, especially when you clamp for no-handers and bar. Suspension wise, yeah, I'm running the RockShox Deluxe. It's kind of a downgrade from my last shock, so I want to get it replaced just because it can't lock out and stuff. But I run about 350 psi in there, pretty much to max. Same thing with the fork, pretty much. I got the RockShox Lyric. I'm probably gonna get clowned for it because it's kind of old. I've had it through one or two bikes, I don't remember. But I have a hollowed out star nut so I can run the front brake through and stuff and do bar spins. And I got 2 volume spacers in there and about max PSI. Yeah. Let's see, what else is on here? Crank-wise, I got the Descendant cranks on there. I've gone through 2 bikes on those. I just absolutely love them. I haven't felt the need to change them at all. And yeah, I really like how they feel. Where were we? So, I think I left off on the Stamp 7s. Again, I absolutely love them. I love how they feel and how they ride. And they make it really nice for landing on them with no foot cans and stuff and catching tail whips. And what I really like about them is they don't hurt as much when you get shinners and stuff. Because my old pedals, the Chester Race Faces, those always hurt very bad. And 90% of the reason why I got scars on my legs. But yeah, drivetrain wise, we got the SRAM drivetrain, Eagle derailleur and GX12 cassette with the GX chain. I think so. I'm not 90% sure. But wheel wise, I got the stands wheels with the DT Swiss hubs. I really like them. They're super strong and light. They're custom built too. 27.5, if I didn't already say that. Tire wise, I'm running the Specialized Butcher in the back. I think I've had the extra tires everywhere, and I think that's an extra one. I probably got to replace it. And up front, I got the Maxxis something Dissector. I do not like the Dissectors. I need to get a new one. The only reason is because like it only has 40 psi for the max, and I like to run a lot higher, like 50 and 60. I got 60 in the back and 40 in the front. For the front rotor, I got 203 millimeters, I think, and then the back's 180. And almost forgot, but probably my favorite, debatably my favorite thing about this bike is the brakes, the Magura's MT5s, and they got the I don't know what they're called, but they're the really curvy levers, and I really like how they feel and stuff with just the stopping power that they have. And I got 4 pistons in the front and back. It's great for trials, downhill, and all that jazz. But yeah, I'm really excited to see try out the bike. But yeah, thanks guys. Thank you.
When he spit, you know he switch with it. Hellcats and track hoes. They got Timmy on the turn up in the blast off. He wouldn't got caught for that body, took his mask off. She an ungrateful.